Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? Lino here. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing of a product that I really didn't see myself getting this year. Honestly, I did not expect that. Didn't have it in the plans. Most definitely an impromptu moment. My hands were forced to obtain this product. It's a great product. I just didn't expect myself to get it this year. And what I'm talking about is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Got it in my hands. Literally just got it a few hours ago. Took my time when I had to go pretty far to get this phone. It's a last minute emergency type of situation, which I was playing in another video. But I got it in my hands. Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got it in 512 gigs of storage, Phantom Black. So let's just make it a quick video out of this. Quick unboxing. Let me do a quick tour. So we were greedy. It sounds like it fell out, which is it looks like it's gonna be the paperwork. We got a SIM card tray. Let's open it up real quick. We got our keyboards, our SIM card ejector tool, paperwork. Nothing too much of importance. What we're here for is the main show, which is this guy right here, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It looks great, fantastic looking phone. Little bigger than I expected, but looks like we have a little cover over here. Let's figure this out. Yes, we do. We have a cover in the back of the phone that comes off. So let's go ahead and take that out. And then we have the front back of the case not needed, and then we have the phone in hand. Very, very nice. I like the feel of the metal in the back. Very smooth. Camera portraits just a bit. Not too much though. It's not bad, but it will definitely like rock when you put it in a flat surface. But definitely not bad. Nice hefty feel to it, not too light, which is perfect. And then we're just gonna go ahead and get this little sticker come off. Let's get it on the sound. That's very satisfying noise. There's just something about that that's very satisfying. I don't know what it is. I can't describe it to you. It just feels great. But here we go. We got the phone in here now. Screen looks fantastic. It's not as curved as in the past. You know, Samsung is known for curving their screens, but looks just almost a flat edge display. Which I honestly wouldn't mind. I actually like it. Very flat, very boxy, very boxy. Phone feels great, feels fantastic. Let's go ahead and turn it on just to see what the screen looks like. Hopefully you got some charge in this. Yes, we do. It's gonna be my first Samsung phone in a while. Like I said, I was not planning on getting this phone this year. I was not planning on getting a new phone this year. But circumstances forced my hand, which I was playing in another video. And we ended up in this situation where now we're gonna have an S23 Ultra. I'm not complaining. Display looks great as always. There's just something about Samsung displays that are fantastic. Beautiful display. You got your front facing cameras. You got the 3, 4, I think it's like 4 cameras in the back. I'm not even 100% sure. I think it's about 4 cameras. And then your sensor with the flashlight. Very nice. Let me see. It's a little stick here. Maybe we may have some side stickers over here. Let's see. Let's see if we can pull this off too. Looks like we do. Let's see if I can get my hands on this. Here we go. Just cut my nails too. It's a little harder. I'm struggling really hard to get this. I don't know why this is so hard to get.
To turn on accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Thank you, Google. We'll figure that out together. All right, hold on. Let's see, guys. Let's see if I could get this. All right, I already committed to it. Let's see. All right, here we go. Here we go. Not as satisfying, but still satisfying enough. Let's see. Most likely the other side will have one. Yep, the other side does too. It's gonna be a little easier for this one. But yeah, that should be it for stickers. You got the S Pen right here, which is used to be a note, but now if you think about it, it's S Ultra. They might as well just call it the S Note. It's basically a Note, just with a name of the S and not called a Note, but it's very boxy like a Note would be. Look, it pretty much can stand up on its own on a flat surface. It's a great looking device, very nice, very well designed. But we're gonna go ahead and set it up later and then test it out and give you guys my thoughts on it. I know it's a great device. Again, like I mentioned earlier, something I was not planning on getting, but here we are with this phone. I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, just like will give you guys my thoughts on the Microsoft Surface. I've been forgotten about that. I've been doing a long testing on it. I've seen some few things I was not expecting from the Surface, which I will address and talk about. And I'll also talk about the reason why I have this phone in hand opposed to what I previously have and what happened in my situation where I ended up getting this one. But thank you guys. You guys have great. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.